today I'm going to read National Geographic Kids. Actually, it got only National Geographic, but National Geographic Kids, it's only for kids. So, here are level 1. Over there is level 2, and the green one is the level 3. So, the level 1 book of National Geographic Kids, it's going to be easy words and easy for kids to read. So, today I'm going to read about plants. And then, you can group it like this. This is about the city and country. It's about where did it go. And this is about days. It's Halloween. And then it's about nature. And look, about animals. And then about cars. And then about the weather. So, if you want me to read all of these level 1 books, please comment the post, okay? If you and your mom and dad can comment below the post. So, I'm gonna read plants first. Okay, let's start. Plants. Here's the picture. It's a strawberry on it. That's about chapters. Plants everywhere. Look around. There are plants everywhere. In the city, there live in flower pots and parks. Some plants even grow through cracks in sidewalks. But plants don't only live in the city, they live all around the world. Let's take a look. Here is a picture from these flowers and trees in the city. So plants live all over the world, okay? But except Antarctica. Many amazing plants like kapok trees live in the rainforest. Kapok trees can grow to be as tall as a 20-story building. They tower above the canopy or treetops. That means they get lots of sunlight. Other plants grow in the shade. This orchid lives in the rainforest too. It does not need much light. It grows in the kapok tree's shade. Many orchids grow on other plants. Some plants live in the water. Seagrass grows in shallow ocean water. Where there is plenty of sunlight, these underwater meadows are home to lots of ocean animals, like fish and crabs. For greasy turtles, seagrass is a yummy snack. Here is a starfish and a fish, and look, a sea turtle. Other plants live in ponds. The lily sits on top of the water. It has wide leaves to help it float. Next page. The desert is a tough place for plants to grow. It is too dry for most plants to live here, but some cacti can live 2 years without any water. They have special pods to keep them cool and wet. Spiky needles shade cacti from the sun. Waxy skin keeps water inside. Life in the desert is easy to cacti. Like all plants, they have special ways to live in their home. Your turn. These plants are out of place. Help them find their homes. Use your finger to draw a line from each plant to the place it lives. This is an orchid. Where did it go? Does it go in the desert, rainforest, or a pond? It goes to the rainforest, right. And how about the lily? The lily's in the desert, rainforest, or the pond? Right, the pond. And how about the cactus? Is it live in the desert, rainforest, or the pond? Yes, the desert. Okay, the desert. Chapter 2. What is a plant? Most plants don't move very much. They don't run or play. But all plants are living things. That's because they grow and change just like you do. All plants need things to live. They need space to grow. They also need food. Plants can't go to the store and buy a sandwich. Instead, they make all food from sunlight, water, air, and nutrients. They have special body parts to help them gather these ingredients. Leaves gather sunlight and air. Wider the leaves get more light. Flat leaves gather more light too. Roots help plants absorb water and nutrients. They usually grow down into the soil and spread out wide. Spreading out helps the roots collect more water. It also holds plants in place. The stem carries water from the roots to the leaves. It also holds the plant up. All the parts of the plant work together to keep the plant healthy. Most plants have similar parts, but others are different. Trees have big stems called trunks. Tough bark covers their trunk and keep them safe. Duckweed has no stem at all. The plants cover the water like a big backpack. Duckweed is made of lots of tiny plants. The Venus flytrap is a strange plant. It doesn't only get food from sunlight, water, and air. It gets extra nutrients it needs from the bugs. When an insect lands on a leaf, the leaf closes shut. The bug is trapped. The Venus flytrap may be different, but it's still a plant. It still makes its own food and still needs space to grow, just like other plants. Its body parts work together to help it live. Your turn. There are all kinds of plants. Some have roots that go deep under the ground. Others have roots that stay close to the surface. Some have big leaves. Some have no leaves at all. There's something strange about this plant. What's wrong with it? Do you think it will be able to grow? Why or why not? Do you think it's able to grow? No, because the roots are up and the leaves are down. We need to change it up so it can survive, okay? Survive means they can live on this earth, okay? Chapter 3. Plants grow up. Most plants start their lives as seeds. At first, they live inside or on their parent plants. Plants keep their seeds in different places. Some plants keep their seeds in pods or protective cases. This is a pod. Can you say pod? Very good. And this is seeds, okay? Not all plants have pods. Some keep their seeds in fruits. Many fruits have seeds on the inside. Strawberry seeds are on the outside. This is the papaya, strawberry, and the apple. When the seeds are ripe, it's time for them to leave their parent plants. They need their own space to grow. Seeds have many ways of traveling to their new homes. Some seeds use the wind. Dandelion seeds float from one place to another. Maple seeds twirl like helicopters. Here, this is a maple seed. It's twirl, 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 twirl like that. And this is a dandelion. Bird pods often get a ride. They stick to animals that walk by. The animals drop off at their new homes. Here, the sheep is full of bird pods. This is a bird. Soon the seeds fall to the ground. Now, each has its own space. It is ready to grow into a plant. First, the seed splits open. Then, a new plant roots push down into the soil. That's called a shoot. Shoot is something that, like the plant, shoots up from the soil, like that. The roots grow long. They gather water. The plant's shoot grows up out of the soil. The plant grows taller and stronger. Many plants will also grow flowers. Flowers help make new seeds by creating pollen, a powder that travels from one flower to another. Flowers attract insects with their smells and bright colors. Pollen sticks to the insects. Bees fly from one flower to the next. They leave pollen behind. Bean plant. This is a bean plant, okay? The beans that we eat. Once a plant has new pollen, it can create seeds. That's why, without bees and other pollinators, it would be hard for some plants to grow. They're an important part of plants' life cycles. Now the plant loses its flowers. New seeds grow and cycle starts over. Like this plant. Okay. This is a strawberry plant, okay? Just pretend, okay? And we might put it on the ground, and when they got a strawberry, they don't have flowers, and then we've got new seeds. So we plant, and we get more strawberries. Okay. Your turn. These seeds are ready to travel to their new homes. How do you think each seed will get there? Take a look at this backyard. How many ways to travel can you see? Maple seeds. I think maple seeds will drop down, and fall to the ground like this. And dandelion seeds will fall to the ground like this too. And then birds, I think it'll gonna stick to the dog. Okay. Plants and you. Plants are all over the world, and that's a really good thing. Plants don't just sit around and look nice. They also keep you healthy and make people's lives better. Fruits and vegetables are healthy snacks. You can pick them from a field and eat them. Fruits and vegetables you buy at the store start as plants in the field. Here, you can pick up vegetables like this. And you can plant your own fruits and vegetables at home too. Ooh, nice cake. Other plants help us make tasty foods that don't look like plants at all. Tortillas are made of corn that has been cooked, ground up, and flat. Very tasty cakes are made with wheat. Wheat and corn are both kind of grasses. So tortillas is a kind of snack that's made of corn, okay? Plants make up many of the useful things we see every day. Even some of our clothes used to be plants. Cotton is fluffy material that surrounds cotton plant seeds. Lots of pants and t-shirts are made with cotton. Woods are very useful. People make toys, chairs, and tables and houses out of wood. By simply growing plants make the air that we breathe clean. Plants absorb parts of the air that we don't breathe and turn them into the oxygen that we need to live. Plants make our world healthy and clean. That's why we need to take care of them. See, you can plant your fruits and vegetables or other plants at home, okay? So the earth can have good air, okay? Your turn. Look around. How many things can you find that are made of plants? How many of those things do you use every day? I think this watermelon is a plant. A kiwi, a pomegranate, a xylophone because it's made of wood. Jeans because it's made of cotton seeds. This is made of wood. And this is made of wood. And a kiwi, it's made of plants. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7! Now it's the end. So thank you for watching this. And if you want me to read all these books like this, leave a comment down below and we will make new posts. And see you next time. Bye-bye. Mommy.